In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. So first thing you can try is open Steam, go to Steam, settings, and here you want to go to storage. Then click on these three dots and then click repair library. If this doesn't fix your issue, then you can try something else. First, you need to exit Steam. So to exit Steam, you can find it over here and just right click and then exit Steam. Now, before opening it again, try opening by right click and then run as administrator and see if this fixes your issue. Now let's say this still doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is go to Steam and then settings, go to downloads, and here at the all the way at the bottom you're gonna see this clear download cache. So click clear cache so you can free up some space and see if this fixes your issue. So let's say this doesn't fix your issue, then what you can try next is go to library and find the game that you're having trouble with. So let's say it's this one, right click, go to manage, actually go to properties and then installed files and then click verify integrity of game files. Now wait for this might take a few minutes. After this, you can check if this works. If it doesn't, just uninstall the whole game and reinstall it and see if this helps you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.